Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Windows. So if you quickly want to take a screenshot on your Windows, this is what you want to do. You want to hit on your keyboard Shift, the Windows key, and S. This will launch the Snipping Tool. And there are so many things you can do with the Windows Snipping Tool. You can choose to take a rectangular snip, which when you click on this, you'll be able to highlight the section you want to take a screenshot of. With the freeform snip, you'll be able to create shapes for your screenshots. Windows Snips allows you to take screenshots of your windows or your taskbar. Click on the section you want to take a screenshot of, and a screenshot will be saved. Finally, full screen snip allows you to take your full screen. Once a screenshot is taken, it will be saved to pictures. Simply open screenshot and you find all the screenshots you've taken. Now you can also click on the notification of your screenshot to open Snipping Tool. You'll have access to edit your image, mark sections of the image, erase, add shapes, crop, and even find text on the image. You'll be able to copy text and more. You can also click on save to save the file. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.